even if you are getting the lowest package of this Zogo hosts, Linux hosting and domain name, even if you are getting the lowest package, they will still give you a free SSL. Let me tell you, my own website, my current website, I didn't purchase SSL. So it may not SSL, the strength of different SSLs varies. So mine is obviously, my own SSL is obviously not as strong as other people. And what is SSL? SSL ensures that it helps improve cyber security. It ensures your website is safe, and it also helps users, maybe visitors, to make sure that your website is safe and they are not landing on a scammer's website. So it helps to protect your website. Okay, and this is it, this padlock stuff here. So now log into your this thing, your ghosts dashboard, cpanel. Let me just, so they basically, cpanel is now, they've introduced something called Jupyter. So the interface has changed. If I showed how the cpanel look like in one of the former videos, so don't be confused that the interface has changed. The tools are still there, all the tools are still there, every can you say. So don't be surprised. So you come to SSL status to check your SSL status. So my own SSL is there. Now when if you see all your domains there, you see every single thing, all your domains there. Now if you want to run it, you just click on the particular domain you want to run, then you run auto SSL. Okay, you click on the this thing. I can't run it again because running it continually repeatedly affects the settings. So I've done mine has been validated, but you run yours. They want to verify, validate your domain. So you run the auto SSL for it to work. Then you install that really simple SSL plugin that I mentioned earlier, activate it, and it will automatically help you. In the settings, you're going to see the settings. You put the name of your website and to help you. You can even, now if you have, like me now, I have different domain. If I want to run this particular one, I can click on some and say include domains during auto SSL, or exclude domains during auto SSL before I run it. Please make sure you click on run. Can view your certificates. You know it is this SSL, it will give you an SSL certificate. Okay, so you have to install that certificate. Now this is your domain, this is the certificate. Can you see? Is it, don't edit, don't change anything, then you click on install certificates. Please and please, when you get it, come to that side, click on the domain, click on the view certificates, install it, then you run auto SSL. That is how to do it. Then you go to your plugin, really simple SSL, activate, put your website, and it will help you activate the SSL without any issue. Okay, don't mind me, these are my domains. This is my main domain, you know, these ones are like subdomains. So that's that for the SSL. Okay, I can't do mine because obviously I already have an SSL installed on my own website. So it's as simple as that. Now let me also show you, is it, Now, if you want to create an email, now this email will not be normal email. It's for your website. This is my own email. This is the one I was given, and this is one I created. Now you can create a new one. Create, click on create. You verify your domain. That means you choose the domain you want to use. Choose the username. Let me use tutorial. Can set your password. Let me use no, I'm not going to let you see my password. After that, click on settings, so it's not necessary. Then click on create. Successfully created tutorial at 8figures business.com.ng. Now, remember, you go to your Gmail. Can you see? This is the mail I just created. This is the mail I just created. Now, if you realize it does not have at gmail.com, okay, go to your Gmail. Add another account. Order. Then you add it. What's the name? Save. Tutorial. I guess that's the name. The name I created. Click on next. Please click on a map. You can check Google for the difference. Now what's my password? So I'm going to put my password. I don't want guys to see. Next. Next. If my information is correct, it should create successfully. Can you see it has brought out the name of my domain without. So next. Next. Now they call this webmail. Email for your website. Now what name? Now if you're an affiliate marketer, for example, or an email marketer, you know these mails I used to receive, it has a name in front of the, even if it is a webmail, it has a name. There's a sender for it. So which name do you want when you send out your mails? Do you want them to see? I'm just going to put my own name. So it depends on you. You can put your name, you can put your pen name. Pen name is not your real name, in case you don't know. There's probably a name you create for probably your business or so. Next, you can see my account is set up because it's correct. So guys, can you see tutorial? It has come up here. It's part of my email. They've sent me an email from cPanel. Oh my god, undo. They sent me an email from cPanel so for probably settings and other information, confidential information. So that's how you create a webmail. Along the line, you're going to be seeing the use of these webmails. Sometimes you use them for, like the cPanel, for example, when they login details and stuff, they're not going to send it to your normal mail. It's the webmail. When you want to be sending out email, newsletters and stuff, you use your webmail, not your personal email. So it has many other usefulness. So that's just for the webmail. Let's go. So even the webmail is right here, unrestricted, it's working well. If you want to manage, they can manage. So I've showed you the basic things you need to know, your how to the tools and how to reach the tools you need to design your website. I even showed you how to upload, how to use already created templates, how to install plugins, private architect, hello elements, so and even how to design without using any of those plugins, using the WordPress, the tools that came with the WordPress to design, how to create your webmail, and what else did I show you? And other necessary things. Now I'm going to show you how to install and how to activate your SSL rights. I showed you that too. These are the basic things you need to know. How to get your web hosting and your domain name. So now how to even upgrade, showed you everything. So please go over the videos, take your time, watch them. These things are not complicated. Now I'm going to show you how to install pixels in the next video. See you.